kindergarten. So we are going to be looking at the artist Paul Klee this week. And Paul Klee was an artist who sometimes used his dreams to inspire his artwork. And he also used a lot of pattern and rhythm and colors in his artwork. So we are going to look at rhythm, and rhythm is kind of like a pattern, except you're seeing the same shapes and colors, but they're not in a specific order. They're just kind of randomly spread throughout the artwork. So we are going to base our artwork this week off of Paul Klee's castle artwork, and we're going to design our own castles, and your job is to fill it with shapes and colors, but not in a specific pattern. We want to show rhythm, so you're going to take those shapes and colors and kind of spread them all throughout your castle. So follow along with this, and I hope you have fun.